Hi there. Thought we'd do a quick retro unboxing today. Probably plenty of videos out there, but I've not done one. So today we've got, it's quite heavy, Sinclair ZX Spectrum Plus 2 starter pack, which, as you can see, is exclusive to Currys. So it's quite heavy, this. There you go. Just get that into shot. There you go. So this is one of the items that I picked up probably early 2000s when nobody wanted retro kit. I would imagine, as this is a starter pack, it's just going to be full of boxes. I've not opened this for years. And as I'll probably keep mentioning, it weighs a ton. So there's a computer. Let's see what else we've got in here. Oh, it's right down the bottom. Hang on. Don't know if you can see that. No, you probably can't. Empty. Right. So we've got the accessories that you get in the pack. We've got a Sinclair joystick, sadly not micro switched, only to be expected at this price point. The usual joystick port on the back there, joystick plug. That probably, to be honest, doesn't even work by now, does it? So that's the Sinclair SJS-1. Obviously cost about £1 to make. Got a Sinclair Spectrum 128 Plus 2 games compendium. So compendium. So let's see what we've got in here then. Games compilation. Instruction booklet. Don't know what games are in here. Time tracks. Rupert and the Ice Castle, Glass, Sheer Panic. Obviously lots of top quality games in here. Dark Empire, Core, Xeno. Yep, not really heard of any of those. Missiles Defense, Mummy. Oh, I've heard of that one. Yeah. So I think they're about there's about 10 tapes in here, so as you can see, provided at a price point there. No inlay cards, that's why you get the instruction book. So let's have a look at the computer itself then. There you go. Let's open this up. I don't actually remember it weighing this much. There we go. So we've got the ZX Spectrum Plus 2 there, complete with the data coder. Not bad keyboard. No ports on the front. On the side we've got a reset button and 2 joystick ports. Around the back we've got 9V DC, an expansion I/O, RS232 stroke MIDI, keypad, RGB, TV socket for out, and sound as well. RF lead. Got an introduction there to the ZX Spectrum. How to set it up. Keyboard. Programming guide. Simple programming. That's about it. And here we've got Sinclair Spectrum Plus 2. Bit more of an in-depth guide there. How to load software. Keys. Bit of programming. Well, looks like it's mostly programming. And all the commands there. System variables, poke and peek. There you go. Little manual. So what we'll do is pause the video and we'll plug it into the TV and see if it still works. Hello there, right, we're back. It's loaded up. Didn't take, well, I was going to say it didn't take too long, but it did. Yes, this game is Xeno. It's described as a 1 or 2 player keyboard or joystick option game. Each player controls a maneuverable disc and attempts to push a smaller puck through the opponent's goal. So it's basically air hockey. Not got the joystick plugged in, so we'll give it a blast with the keyboard. I've already redefined the keys. I've gone for the classic Z for up, A for down, O for left, P for right, and Z for fire. So let's see how we get on. Well, I'm not entirely sure whether that was me or whether that was the opponent, so I don't know. There you go. There's the top quality Spectrum graphics from a long time ago. I'm pretty pleased actually. Bearing in mind this is from around 82, 83, and I've just got out of the box after many years and it's still working. I think that's pretty good going really. Yeah, so if I get a chance to get into the loft, I'll do another video because I've got a lot of proper Spectrum games up there. So I've got, you know, things like Paperboy, Pac-Man, etc. All the usual suspects. So yeah, I mean, I'll dig those out, see if they load up. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.